In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money in Tradovate, how to fund your Tradovate account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can add funds smoothly and avoid common mistakes. First, once you're inside the app, head straight to the application settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon and may sit in the main menu or the top corner of your screen, depending on your device. Opening settings ensures you're working from the dedicated area where account and payment preferences live, so you're not hunting through trading screens. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're on the latest app version or check the main menu options. Next, in the settings area, find and click Transfer and Payments. See, this section is designed for anything related to moving money in or out of your account. It's where deposit methods are set up and managed, and it's also where you can review funding activity later on. Think of it as your financial hub within the platform. Now, select Add Credit Card. Choosing this option tells the app you're adding a card as a funding source. Before you proceed, confirm your card supports online transactions and that the name on the card matches your trading account. Some cards have daily or category limits, and some banks may flag trading-related transfers, so it's a good idea to ensure your bank is fine with this type of transaction. If the platform displays any notes on fees or processing times, take a moment to read them so you know what to expect. Finally, fill in all the required fields. This typically includes the card number, expiration date, security code, the cardholder's name, and the billing address. Enter the information exactly as it appears with your bank. If prompted for a deposit amount, choose the amount that fits your plan and confirm you have sufficient available balance. Double-check every digit, especially the card number and security code, to avoid declines. If the address field is present, be sure it matches your card's billing address word for word. Avoid sharing sensitive details outside the secure app, and only type the information directly into the official Tradovate interface. Once you've completed the required fields, the app will validate what you've entered and guide you through any on-screen confirmations. If you see an error, it's usually a typo, an address mismatch, or a card restriction, or correcting those typically resolves it. After that, you're all set. Your card will be ready to use for funding, and your account will reflect the update as soon as processing completes. That's it. Simple, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.